What's up to the DDL Nation? It's your girl Dina and I'm back with another video. Yes, I am back with another video. Welcome back, guys. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because today we are about to diving into something every YouTuber wants to know. How to reach 1,000 subscribers and how to get that 4,000 watch hours so you can finally monetize your channel. Yes, it's possible, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Okay, so grab your notebook and just relax. Let's get started. Okay, so this video is going to be a 5-part video. I'm gonna tell you guys how to do it, and each part, like what you need and how to do it. So let me grab my phone because I have notes. I wrote notes so I don't want to miss anything. Okay, so let me grab my phone. Okay, so the first part is understanding the goal. Before we jump into the strategies, let's talk about the numbers. What exactly is the 1,000 subscribers and what is the 4,000 watch hours? Okay, so first, to join the YouTube Partners Program, first you need to reach that 1,000 subscribers and that 4,000 watch hours. So 1,000 subscribers is 1,000 people that subscribe to your channel that like what you're doing, and the 4,000 watch hours, the amount of time that people watch your videos within 12 months. So if you have private videos on your channel or unlisted videos on your channel, those don't count because they're private, because you need 4,000 public watch hours. So if they are private or unlisted, those views do not count. So make sure your videos are public, that people can see them, okay, to get that 4,000 watch hours. So that's the goal. We need the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys 5 strategies that work for me, that works, and if you apply them into your videos, if you apply them into your channel, you are going to hit that 4,000 watch hours and get that the 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, to post consistently. Post consistently. So you can post 1 or 2 videos per week. So YouTube love consistency, you guys. So you don't have to post every day, but you can choose a schedule. You can schedule your channel. You can have a schedule like you post 2 times a week or 3 times a week. But those days, if you choose Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to post, every week you should have a video for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Or if you choose every other day, let's say Monday, then Wednesday, then Friday, or if you just choose 2 days, be consistent, you guys. Be consistent. YouTube love it. And then I'm gonna give you guys a little pro tip, because that's what this video is about, tips and tricks, right? So you can use free tools, like free apps like VLLO to edit your videos, or you can use CapCut to edit your videos, because they are easy, especially if you use your phone to edit like I do. You use these apps, it's gonna be easy, fast, and then they beginner friendly. You get your videos, you edit your videos real quick, and then you post them. See, consistency. Remember that word. So the second tip you need is make searchable content, you guys. Think about, like, what would people type in the search bar? Like, what are people looking for on YouTube? Okay, so the videos I have on my channel that got me the most view, my most popular video, it's the how to use iMessage. Like, people want to learn stuff like how to use iMessage. You can make videos about how to start a YouTube channel, editing apps, like you could talk about CapCut, you can talk about whatever app that you use to edit your videos. Those are the things that people want to see, like what app to use, what better app to use to edit videos and stuff. Or you can do a day in the life of small YouTuber, or All those are great searchable content that people look for. That's what you need to do about your channel. If your channel is about your daily life, how you start your day, like what do you do in the morning to start your days, people want to know this stuff. So you make those type of videos, and then trust me, your videos you are gonna get views, and you are gonna get subscribers. Okay, the third strategy is use strong thumbnails and titles. You guys, strong thumbnails. Your videos can be a great video, but if the thumbnail and the title is not so great, people are not gonna click on your video. If you have a great video and a boring thumbnail, that's equal nobody clicks, and we don't want that. We want people to click on our videos so we can get the views, so we can get the subscribers, right? So use apps like Canva, use Fonto, I think that's what they call. I'm gonna put them on the screen for you guys, because I'm not gatekeeping nothing, okay? I'm gonna share. We need to grow, so I'm gonna share every little thing, every app that I use with you guys. When you use Canva, you use Fonto to do your thumbnail, make sure your thumbnail are pop. Like use bright color, like red, yellow, like bright colors pop, like that catch people's eyes. So, and you can keep your title simple, clear, and exciting. Curiosity also works. So you see my thumbnail, obviously, and you see the title, right? So use stuff like that to attract people, bring people in. So the fourth strategy is encouraging viewers to stay. You guys, you want people to watch as much as your videos as possible. That is called audience retention. So you want to keep the audience, the viewers attention. So what you do, you can say stuff like stick around till the end, because I'm sharing a bonus tip, and stick around until the end, because I am gonna share a bonus tip at the end of this video. So if you don't stay until the end, you're going to miss it, and that could probably be the tip that you need to help your video, to boost your videos, to boost your views, to boost your subscribers. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be at the end. Okay, you can add chapters. That's another thing that YouTube come with. If you have a long videos, you can add chapters, and then you title your chapters, and then the people don't have like whatever they're looking for, they can click to that, and then they watch it, because the chapters, I'm gonna put chapters on this video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And then five, promote your videos everywhere. Don't wait for YouTube to do it for you, because sometimes the algorithm don't. So do it yourself. Post it on your Instagram stories, your Facebook groups, your WhatsApp status for the people that use WhatsApp, TikTok. Even text people, send it to people, text your friend, text your family members, and then you can ask them, can they watch or support. But the last one, it's a little bit, you don't want to overwhelm your family members, because sometimes family members or friends are not the best supportive people. They're supposed to be the main one to help, but sometimes that's not the case. No shame in promoting your work, because you believe in it, right? If you believe in it, share it with somebody, and then maybe the people that follow you on Facebook or Instagram, they don't know you have a YouTube channel. But if you share it on your Facebook, you share it on your Instagram, then those people are gonna be like, oh, let me see what other things she do, what she or he does on YouTube, and then they're gonna click, and then they're gonna watch those videos. That right there, you gain yourself a subscriber, and you gain yourself some watch time, right? Okay, so remember I said I have a bonus for you guys. So this is my bonus tip. Make bingeable content. When I say make bingeable content, I mean like create a playlist of your video and name it. Like, let's say if you have a lot of how-to's videos on your channel, create a playlist that says how to grow on YouTube, if that's what your how-to's are about, and then put step by step. And then when people go on your channel, they see a playlist. Oh, she has a playlist, let me click. You can have how to start a YouTube channel. That can be your first one. How to get your first 30 subscribers. You tell people that, and then that way people will keep watching more and more and more and more and more of your videos. Create playlist. You can have a playlist with 100 of videos, 50 videos, 10 videos. It depends on how many videos you have, and then people will watch the first one, they watch the second one, they watch the third one. That bring in the views, that bring in more attention to your channel. And then when YouTube see that, the algorithm gonna be like, oh, if somebody's watching, if so many people are watching your playlist, let me push it out to other people. And that bringing other people into your channel. That's how you'll get more views. That's how you'll get more subscribers. All right, DDL Nation. All right, if you guys are serious about growing your channel, apply these tips and stay consistent, and then you got this. You guys, you got it. If you use all 5 strategies, you will see progress, you will see improvement in your channel. So drop a comment below and let me know how many subscribers do you have, and if you want any other videos like this, any other tips, tricks, or what app I use to edit my videos, what app I use to create my thumbnails, leave them in the comment section below. I respond to everybody's comment. Even if you send me like a emoji, I interact. So send me a message about your YouTube journey and I will respond. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your post notification, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.